On November 13, 2024, a historic event unfolded in the hallowed halls of the United States Congress. A second public hearing on UAPs, more commonly known as UFOs, captivated the nation's attention. The House Oversight Committee assembled a panel of esteemed experts, each prepared to shed light on a matter shrouded in secrecy for far too long. The hearing served as a platform for truth seekers and whistleblowers to share their experiences and insights, bringing to the forefront a topic once relegated to the realm of conspiracy theories. The weight of expectation hung heavy in the air as the hearing commenced. The American people, long yearning for transparency from their government, tuned in with a mix of anticipation and skepticism. Little did they know that this hearing would mark a turning point in our understanding of the foreign entity. The witnesses, bound by oath to tell the truth, held the potential to shatter decades of official denial and usher in a new era of openness about UAPs. Among the revelations, Michael Shellenberger received the Immaculate Constellation document from Jeremy Corbell, adding another layer of intrigue to the proceedings. This document was then entered into the official congressional record, cementing its significance. Michael Shellenberger, a respected journalist and author, delivered a bombshell revelation that sent shockwaves through the hearing room. He revealed the existence of Immaculate Constellation, a clandestine Pentagon program dedicated to investigating UAPs. This revelation verified what many had long suspected, that the government possessed far more knowledge about these enigmatic objects than it had previously admitted. Shellenberger's testimony was not without its unsettling aspects. He spoke of potential risks associated with speaking openly about Immaculate Constellation, hinting at the possibility of government surveillance and intimidation. Congresswoman Nancy Mace added to the intrigue by recounting a chilling warning she received from a fellow representative. She was cautioned that merely mentioning the program's name could lead to being placed on a watch list or subjected to a FISA warrant, a powerful surveillance tool typically reserved for terrorism investigations. These warnings painted a disconcerting picture of the lengths to which powerful forces might go to suppress information about UAPs. Larry Maguire, a member of the Canadian Parliament, also weighed in, emphasizing the importance of international cooperation through the Five Eyes Alliance. The significance of the program was further validated by the emphasis on international collaboration and the scientific implications of UAPs. The hearing featured a chorus of voices, each adding their own piece to the puzzle of UAP secrecy. Luis Elizondo, the former head of the Pentagon's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, AATIP, provided compelling testimony that built upon Shellenberger's revelations. Elizondo, who had previously resigned from his government post in protest of excessive secrecy surrounding UAPs, asserted that the United States was engaged in a clandestine arms race with foreign entities. He emphasized that this race was driven by the pursuit of advanced technologies far beyond our current understanding. Elizondo's claims were bolstered by the testimony of Dr. Tim Gallaudet, a retired Rear Admiral and former acting administrator of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. Gallaudet recounted a chilling incident from 2015 during a naval exercise. He described receiving an urgent email detailing UAPs involved in near mid-air collisions with military aircraft, including the now infamous Go Fast video. This video, leaked to the public years earlier, showed a UAP moving at incredible speeds and seemingly defying the laws of physics. Gallaudet's revelation confirmed the authenticity of the video and its significance in the UAP phenomenon. Additionally, Larry Maguire confirmed that a crash retrieval program existed from circa 1950, and that the Five Eyes program, comprising the USA, New Zealand, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom, was cooperating in a joint reverse engineering effort to understand and replicate the craft. The implications of these revelations are profound, and the quest for transparency continues. As we move forward, the demand for openness and accountability in the realm of UAPs becomes ever more critical. The American people, and indeed the world, deserve to know the truth. The journey has just begun, and the future holds the promise of uncovering even more about these mysterious phenomena.